It was brought to my attention. I don't see the live because it's when a blogger posts out Sophie, I will see her. That Sophie, and these are the things. I think I saw that lady put up a picture once and she didn't even say it was her husband. I just assumed that it's her husband when she was on vacation. And listen, Sophie, what you have to understand, and this is what people don't understand, critics will go in every different way. Now, it is so wrong and so rude because you know you have done a lot out here, a lot. And the way if a blogger wants to say something, as long as they don't disrespect you, and I didn't hear the live that the blogger do because one and two time I I don't watch every live, but I didn't hear the blogger. And even if the blogger, because I say how it go already and certain things, you could have at least tried to do better and hold it. You didn't have to go attack her, and if you want to clap back at her, it is in your right. But what did the husband do? The husband is not a blogger, and these are the things you always find yourself into situation. You always find yourself into situation where this is where you put yourself in a predicament when it is too hard to hang out here, because you say these are the things where you do when you're wrong. Why you keep, and that's why I tell you seek therapy. That's why I tell you seek therapy, because even though that lady may spoke here, maybe seems to be somewhat educated, because I don't see no degree or so of her, and then body me see Tina speak out here, so, and you can say that, okay, be the bigger person, but then I will be very unfair to say be the bigger person here because she's only human, and then she's gonna clap back, and then this thing gonna come. What time you're gonna make the change? What time you're going to make the change? What time you're gonna make the change, Sophie? What time you come out and you said it's not good for your platform? Try. It is not okay. You cannot. You have to expect not everybody. Remember, there was a blogger. Them going to clap you. Some going to clap you. Some going to understand. You cannot do it. This is just. You know what this is like? You make one step forward and 10 backward. Because why did you went after the young lady and especially her husband? It is not okay. You cannot go after people. They're not gonna hold you with open arms. You have seen it happen out here where bloggers, until now people. You can't do that. You have to. This is social media is not a mental institution. I said it on a live. Seek help, seek therapy, and do what you got to do. But you cannot be doing these things. It is wrong, totally wrong. And everybody them gonna defend because they say I don't know what was said. I don't know what was said. But you should never go attack back. You should spend time to get in yourself where you want. Take it. I tell you already, take it from me. I could be out here going on bad and ranting and chanting, but I know I am not going that way. I am not. It doesn't have to show, because I'm going to tell you something. Most of who me see out here, I tell you, the 13th of June I come, we know who serious from who not serious. Me not run certain joke on social media. Me not go tell us I'm dangerous more than nobody. But you know, play some serious joke. First of all, you don't know who is that woman. You don't know. Both of you live a mark. Me not saying that the woman will do it. But just decide that the woman want to drag you in court. Not maybe Chris will say, I'm not waste the money on you. But suppose that lady, remember this is that woman. Suppose she decides that she want to thing there. So hey, let me tell you something, people. I have case on here, where I have to beg people like a baby. People play with people on social media, and people family. Really, even when over the same England there, respectable people, family wanted, and I said, do don't go there and coming out that the people will get. I'm not saying that the lady will do it. Be very careful before you go run with it. I'm just saying certain joke what to no run and hear, because I say if you want to clap back at the lady Sophie, you clap back at her. But what her husband I've never seen, I tell you, I assume to the position where me see her in the picture with, that must be her husband, because as a married woman, that man must be her husband. I think I didn't even make a comment on it because somebody tell me if I delete it. That must be her husband. But you want to clap back, that's okay. But what the home lady husband have to do into it? Uno going too far. It's like my comfy address. Cause I tell you something, me really don't want to stay too long out here. I just watch something. Let me tell you something. Me say somebody send me something from Nasty Tina dirty page where she have, because I put it up a Tina page. The same tree. Tina, me tell you something. Lesha not have no blood problem with man. You know me feel about Lesha. Nobody no business with Lesha, not going into it. Nobody no business with it. I try to get her attention at next event. Even though social media is not a place to vent on certain things, but she's only human, make you stay there. That's the make she stand that affair. Me address you, cause Lesha now go address you. Me and Lesha over there so fix your business, me over here, so I deal me I go address you for Lesha. Lesha, independent blood girl. Independent woman, strong black woman. You should have shame of your self. You should have shame. Let me tell you something. If Lesha husband wants to go for Lesha, so be it. Because any man will want a strong, black, ambitious woman. Let me tell you something. Move your underprivileged. You see, if Lesha husband is even a rent a dread, you can't blood clot rent him, because you like a stagnant cupcake money with your one night at hotel. Can't rent him. Come here, let me tell you something. You go put up the girl brand name. Think you can stop her brand? It can't stop her brand, because she don't know one blood clot thing. Lesha can just sell on a buy, on a sell on a blood. By when you come off of the blood, y'all grudge her. Move your because you are Shana and Casely about to the lot. As you see blood clot, this Dr. D run and him crew run go Panama, you run gone over there, you thief the pick them donation money, you rob little Timmy and little Johnny Tina, your blood clot thief and scammer you. Move your underprivileged blood clot. Boy, you come put up the girl brand name. You move your stagnant rum cake club dirty, because you can't afford the money to pay for the kitchen. That's why you go down to Atlanta, because you the thief the people them $1,000 where you find and run take you go to blood clot trip, and you go down to Atlanta and last $20 and come past social media and come ball about money. You think me not here and know where you take the girl brand name put over your stagnant page for. Move and go where you come bright yourself. She not figure no third eye upon no husband. If her husband want go and so be it. Lesha not have no blood clot problem to get man. Tina Lesha can wash, cook and blood clot clean, and she independent. She don't have no problem for no man. She no cat warrior that should have capture no cocky, cause so you did a ball to capture a blood clot cocky. That's your lick out him body. Move your nasty stinking dirty blood clot and come off a little pick me and go watch big dirty nasty big not sweet blood clot. If Casely can get a blood clot cokehead, Lesha will get a man, because Lesha sure don't want a cokehead, because that na me dead body she cannot take a cokehead. But you can't do Lesha brand nothing. You cannot do Lesha brand nothing. You're brighter outer that. What the that you come talk about, you figure third eye per husband about. What the blood where she walk our chap her business to do. Make the little young girl tan. Make it tan. Where you come get in night and I come talk about say she figure third eye per husband. Lesha, let me tell you something for you don't want to know. And me not tell at Lesha. Cause me a no careless somebody. And me no tell Lesha no. Man with blood clot money come. Hear me the live and see the short Lesha and think of me and Lesha. Mama and come and give me message for blood clot Lesha. I me ignore them and never look upon them. You're bright. How which man would want a business girl and Lesha can cook and do everything? Tina, your studio not clean like Lesha house. Lesha can't shut off panar. Or can't shut off panar. Lesha can't no decline. The way Lesha and me am alone supposed to tell us that she don't know the girl. Big pussy girl, you ever think and look and say, come at me teach you something? Blap, husband come, 3 years, married go up, 1 year had open up successful. And she went go make Lesha teach you for the business. And not only her body big girl, her brains big too. That's a very open-minded girl. Always a think. I want to say open. I say always a think for make money. Always. Big mind, big dream girl that. Casely we born American accomplish what Lesha have. Put Casely, put you pick me your daddy. Cause arms house your daddy there. And if your mama never meet the man where you talk about your mama house or your mama husband at Jamaica, don't make me go into that. And your mama husband house. Andrew the over Boston and walk up and down like street dog. Coulda out hard and bright. What you write up a girl brand name for? You think a prison brand that? That a brand from Jamaica in a car. That a brand from Jamaica and a car comes straight out the way to America. Lesha feed that you so you have to respect her. Lesha pay your rent and CJ. Lesha pay tax to you to feed your clot. You're brighter, outer, and I come and use the girl brand name. You're bright. You think you can blood clot step to Lesha me there? You want to chat, can nobody not chat? You want to chat, can you feel like you want to chat? You there all the way a blood clot Panama, but I saw one auntie that sad. You couldn't enjoy your vacation. You have to run come because you have to watch. What is to be must blouse or skirt be. Where is Mr. McLeod? At least him in our house now. You live at Bronx and Mr. McLeod live down at Brooklyn. Go down in yard. Go down in yard. Where your blood clot write the girl brand name for? Where you not go write about blood clot, rum cake club and the old dirty cake them where you sell. You don't see your blood clot, go down and look for your papa and go down Atlanta use out of the picking them money. Spend one night at the best blood clot sleep that you ever sleep because the bed where you see you sleeping that be a blood clot chinky night. What you put up the girl brand name for? The girl have blood clot baggage chippy. What do you? You don't think you not gang up on her out here? If you don't think you not gang up on none of the young people them out here take it. Lesha see you? Lesha see I know you're dead dog.